Hi, it's Cami from the blog Tidbits. Now I'm excited to show you our checkerboard flooring progress that we've installed in our mudroom and home office edition. And then I want to introduce you to a new mini series on Tidbits all about checkerboard flooring. Now I've been kind of obsessing over checkerboard flooring and have subsequently learned a lot. And this has left me with a desire to share it all with you. So in this series, I will cover topics such as like checkerboard inspiration, tile material, design and color patterns, the size, where to buy checkerboard tile, and more. I'm way excited to just sum up all the good stuff I've learned and share it with you in these mini tidbits and pieces. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the fun. Today, I simply want to share a look at the checkerboard flooring that we've installed in this like mudroom slash storage room slash office edition that we've added onto our house. Now, since designing this pole barn home ourselves and living here for almost 3 years, we've determined that we desperately needed these spaces and it was well worth kind of the loss of our side porch. So Mr. Tidbits framed in under this long side porch. He moved doors and added all the electrical, all the walls, the windows, and everything to get it ready for me to design. Our wraparound porch is pretty large, and even though we lost this side portion, we still have plenty of front porch to enjoy our incredible view. I'm kind of glad we hadn't actually finished the porch before making this decision to do this, since it would have required then removing material that we already bought and installed. So we are waiting on a little extra siding that we need to finish the new exterior as well. So Kevin has been hard at work laying this honed black and white marble that I picked out that extends the entire length of this addition. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and I love how the transition looks from our kitchen and living room wood flooring into this like dramatic black and white tile. To me, this checkerboard pattern is both trending and timeless. I remember seeing it on the Pride and Prejudice movie and thinking that someday I would have this stone tile and pattern in my home. Checkerboard tile is something you can find in like old world European design as well as in modern homes. It's like a dream come true for me to see it coming together in my own home, even if it's just on the smaller scale. So I found a lot of sources for where you can buy checkerboard tile for your flooring, both budget options and splurge options. And I will go into more detail in another video to give you lots of sources. But for now, I just want to share with you where we got the tile that you're seeing in our space, in case you want to know right now. And it sits somewhere in between budget and splurge. Now I decided on this honed black marble tile and a honed Carrara marble tile, both in 12 by 12. It looks authentic because it is, and it's so stunning. I ended up getting it from Stone Tile Depot, where I found the most affordable options for the real stuff. And I'll link you to the exact pieces that I bought. We ended up grouting it with black grout, which I hope will be easier to keep looking nice for longer since this is a mudroom. And maybe sometime before we finish building all the cabinetry, the shoe cubbies, the shelves, and all the smaller projects need to finish up these spaces, but I hope you'll just come along and enjoy the ride. Please check back often, and we will talk more about do-it-yourself living and design, and more specifically checkerboard flooring in this 6-day mini series. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon.